Snoring is a very common condition. Snoring is when you're laying down at night, your lower jaw falls backward, your tongue falls back, and partially obscures your airway. So when you try and breathe, the tongue tissues vibrate and make that lovely noise we all know and love as snoring. Snoring has disrupted the relationships of millions and millions of people. It's caused bed partners to end up in different rooms or with sleepless nights as a result of one person snoring. Snoring can be helped with an oral appliance. Before snoring can be treated with an oral appliance, it needs to be evaluated to be sure that it's not the early stages of sleep apnea, a potentially life-threatening condition. If it's not sleep apnea, oral appliances such as this one can be made. It's a series of stiff plastic trays, one on the upper teeth, one on the lower teeth, connected by a little plastic strip. It anchors on the upper teeth, pulling the lower jaw forward, pulling your tongue forward, opening your airway, minimizing the amount of the snoring sound, and in many cases eliminating it completely.